Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix any connection issues of your Baseus Encok W3. So first of all, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes before this process, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Just simply unpair them from every device and put them back to the case. Next, when you do this, you will open this case and you will find that after a few seconds the left earbud is actually blinking white. This small indicator, as you can see, it is blinking. And right now we have to tap on this indicator 3 times on the both earbuds quickly, and after that this indicators will turn red. So let's do this right now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see right now, it turns red. And right now, it's just simply the reset process. So right now, when you put them back to the case, close the case and open it after this indicator just disappear. There we go. And you will find that they are in the pairing mode another time. So this indicator is blinking, as you can see. So right now, go to the pair new device, and from available devices list, you have to select your Baseus Encok W3. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.